Hello everyone. Now we will present our work. First, let's try to implement the registration function. We began to enter the required information. Register successful. Before logging in with the official account, let's first take a look at the guest login option. Tourists only can view the list of books. Now, let's log in using the official account. We can see that after we are logged in, we can use order history and browse history. The book list's same. We also can see the book list. We can search the book name to find book. We can also search the book type to find book. We can click next page to view other book. We can click the book to see this book's detail. We can click this button to add this book and browse. We can click this book to view detail. We can click the plus button to add book. We can click bin button to remove book. We can add many books in one browse. After we buy, we can in here see order detail. We log in the admin user. Let me show the page. We can search book name, find book. We also can search book ID, find book. We can add product. We can correct the product information. We can find our add product. We can ban the book. The book will disappear. We can click View Details to view order detail. One book can have many pictures. We also can add or remove pictures. We can change order state. Users can also search for orders by type. We can set conditions to search for books. We have a relative book. We can use HTML format show content. For a better test of AI browsing behavior data, use a blank account. Wait for the web page to load. Recommend top books. Reasons generated by LLM. We simulate users' book browsing behavior too. Supply data for large language models. We focus on academic books to better verify. Recommendation performance. User behaviors include viewing book details, adding to favorites and shopping carts. The backend records all operation data. When refreshing recommendations, it will send all browsing records to the LLM at once. The model will select the most matching books from the library and write target TED recommendation reasons for each book. Refresh recommendations. LLM summarizes the user's browsing behavior. LLM generates personalized reasons. Only academic books are recommended. Proving behavior-based recommendation. Now we browse children's books too. Diversify users' browsing behavior data. A fallback mechanism exists. If the LLM API fails, a simple algorithm uses recent behavior to recommend books. Waiting for the recommendation. Results to refresh. Because we have just been browsing children's books, we see that the large language model has recommended some new children's books to us, but there are still academic books present. This further confirms that the large language model makes recommendations based on the user's current browsing behavior. This section shows the review section of a product detail page. At the core of Block T is user-generated content, meaning users can leave ratings, text reviews, and media attachments for products. Other users can also vote on the helpfulness of reviews or report inappropriate content. As you follow the video, you can see the ratings text reviews and media attachments on a specific book detail page. Now I'm submitting a review as a regular user. Users can choose a 1 to 5 star rating. Write a text review and upload images or videos. The system supports up to 4 media files with a total size limit of 20 megabytes and provides a preview feature. After submission, this review appears on the product detail page, and the uploaded media content is displayed alongside it. In addition to submitting reviews, other users can participate through interactions. For example, they can vote useful or not useful on a review, helping the system identify which reviews are more helpful. If users find inappropriate content, they can also report it directly, which then goes into the subsequent moderation process. Here, 2 reviews are reported at the same time. This is the admin moderation panel. The administrator can see auto-flagged reviews, as well as user-reported content. The admin can choose to accept or reject it. One review is accepted, and another is rejected. As you can see, when the admin accepts a reported review, the system hides it. When the admin rejects a reported review, the system does not hide it. This section mainly demonstrates the distinction between the desktop and mobile versions, and that we have adapted the interface for mobile devices. All fonts, page labels, specific secondary menus, and all functions have been optimized for mobile adaptability. Here, we will pick a few features and test the same functions on both desktop and mobile. You can see that the mobile version looks different from the desktop version. Both have undergone mobile adaptation optimization.